I worked a lot with Mr. Nkata, the late Mr. Nkata. He really taught me what this business of pepper is like. How do you manage it? Until he left us and died. Now, when Mr. Nkata died, that's when I started working with iSmack. I have farmers who approach 70 farmers. Each farmer has their own garden. I go there together with a company that I supply pepper, and then we train these farmers. And then I also work together with the Ministry of Agriculture. They will come and train us so that we can do a good job. That's how we do this business.